One of my earlier videos showed the faults with the track, and here I'm going to show you just a little bit of what I've done today. I'll turn the light on again by moving. In the garden, I'm not sure if the light will work as I walk backwards towards the phone gets in the way. No, it's too complicated. I have to go near the light. Okay, so the video you're going to see and the still pictures just show something of the work I've been doing today to try and get the track leveled again. Okay, thank you. I've put the outside light on a very short time. This is what happens to marine ply after a couple of years. Marine ply that's been protected under felt, and what I believe, it's not just particularly protected, the moisture is trapped in. This is the rot profile of this tannalized post. I'd have to look back through my other YouTube videos to tell you how long that has been in the ground, in wet ground, and that's what has happened to it. The other post I have sawn off at ground level and then packed up onto a piece of concrete block, and I've got access to it, so if it does sink I can put more packing under it, like slate, tile or anything else to pack it up again. I could even slide a bit of DPC under there at some point, but I have packed that up. I held it at the right height temporarily by knocking that piece of 2B1 into the ground and screwing it into the cross piece, so it held it at the right height. What I have to consider, those you see haven't sunk, is whether I need to put further posts in to support it. But what we've got is a 4 to 5 foot gap there, another gap there, the same, and then another 5 foot gap to the other support, which allowed me to walk on it, and it's just the failure of these two posts. I spare the boredom of having a camera set up while I saw through this fence post. Forgive me for that. Might as well show it with the job complete. I'm sure you know how to saw through a fence post, but this seems to be above the limit of the rot.